What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, it should be a light day. We'll see. I'm gonna head to Speed Zone, get my side skirts put on finally. Went with another company because that first company sent the wrong size twice, and we measured it multiple times each time, and they still sent the same size that was incorrect 2 times. So went with another company on eBay, just a universal splitter, it's a 3-piece one. I'm not even sure the name of either of the companies, honestly, but yeah, we're gonna head on over there. Some of the homies might be showing up, but I know there's quite a few car events today, so I'm not sure if they're gonna go to those or what. I know there's a car wash one that's a fundraiser that started same time as my installation. I'm supposed to be going to 4, so we might have time to swing by that one or something else, but we'll go ahead and get into that. But let me go ahead and hit there and see who's there. Alright, so just got here. Still pretty early, not many people here, but yeah, Gianni's car, Andrew's car, not really much out here, but go ahead and get checked in. I almost drove to Orlando one because we've been going there so much for those meets and stuff. But yeah, let me go ahead and get checked in and we'll go from there. Alright, first homie showing up. He might be the only one showing up, honestly, because I got a few people saying they were busy. So, but yeah, definitely shout out to Ryan, always coming through. Link to his IG will be in the description below. Definitely check him out. That looked like that's a beast. Uh-oh, dude got another homie showing up. And he's not on his bike today. He probably won't be recording then since he ain't on his bike. Feel like I ain't see this car in a minute. 20s, yeah.
That's why I feel like I should have been with.
Alright, it is off. Homie Gianni's driving it to the back.
Man, that car washed.
Looks good, looks good. But yeah, I still need to get one of these. Like I said I was gonna get one, I keep forgetting about it, and I think it'll go good with my grill. I don't know. Seems a lot bigger in person. Oh yeah, and he just got this still in the front lip. That's still in, right? Yeah. So, and it's paint matched. It's not the default. So definitely let me know what you guys think about that. I need to get mine paint. Well, not paint match. I want to do gloss black like this. All right. Definitely got to get this. I like the roof spoil he got, especially how he got color matched. That is crazy. If I didn't have my roof wrapped, I might do the color match, but now I just gotta do a gloss black wrap on my roof. I mean, the roof spoiler. So, I'm about to go in the back and take a look, see if we can see anything while they work on it. All right. So, when we take it off the mud flaps in the front to get them on there, there's a plastic piece in the back. It's been hanging lately, so let's see if you can see it. It's right there. That's gonna be going off. Did not realize it was that low. Huh. Alright, let's see. That looks pretty dope. Nice and clean. Can you see it? That was dope too. Let's see who we got out here now. He just pulled up. Ooh. Look at these wheels. That concave is crazy. 245, 40, 20. I wonder what size or how wide those are. But that's perfect concave. Oh, no, that's the one that pulled up. Right there. Alright, so I heard him drive by. Look at this GTO. What's up? What's up? I heard you coming by. I had to come out. Looking good.
Yeah, headers coming soon.
Okay. It's just crazy how many people just showed up, all to go in the speed zone. What's up? That GTO, man. Good grief. This showed up. Pretty dope. A red interior too.
See, look at his side state. They in.
Yeah. They really in. But that's dope.
That's what you're trying to do next, though.
Alright, so here we go. It's done.
Yeah, that look good, bro.
Had to take off the mud flap there, so I'm gonna have to clean that. But yeah. Let's see how long these last. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Took a while to get them, but I don't know. I like it. I think it's clean. But definitely let me know what you guys think. With this on now, I can finally do my stage 3.0 video. Definitely gonna have to clean that spot where the mud guards were. And I had an issue. What's that? Alright, yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. We're about to head over to the other speed zone for a car meet, so I'm gonna start recording that video here in a second. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Definitely let me know what you think about those side skirts. But wow, he completely ran that light. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.